Hey there, Pokemon fans! Today, we're diving into the world of the Pokemon TCG, Celebration's Pokemon Center Elite Trainer Box, a must-have for collectors and enthusiasts alike. This special edition box is packed with exclusive goodies that celebrate 25 years of Pokemon, featuring a stunning array of booster packs, each filled with iconic Pokemon from the past and present. Inside, you'll find a treasure trove of 10 Celebrations booster packs, 5 additional booster packs, and a foil promo card that will make any collection shine. Plus, it includes 65 card sleeves adorned with the 25th anniversary logo, ensuring your cards stay in pristine condition. To top it all off, the box comes with a player's guide, a set of dice, and condition markers, making it perfect for both seasoned players and newcomers to the game. Whether you're looking to relive the nostalgia or start your Pokemon journey, this Elite Trainer Box is your ticket to an unforgettable adventure. So, get ready to catch 'em all and celebrate the legacy of Pokemon with this incredible collector's item. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.